Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the color of your header on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of one of my sites, and as you can see, this is the header right here. It just so happens that the header is the exact same color as the rest of the page, and that is because of the settings that I've enabled. But I'm going to show you guys how you can change this and how you can put any sort of custom color that you would like. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to click on edit. It doesn't really matter which page you're on. What matters is that it has the header enabled, and once we have our header enabled and we're on a page where we can edit it, just click on edit site header once you have hover over it. And now, as you can see, we can click on edit design. Now, once we click on edit design, as you'll see, you can change the layout, pretty much change it however you would like. You can change the link spacing, element spacing, pretty much whatever you would like. It really doesn't matter, but this is not what we're going to focus on now. What we're going to focus on is this tab right here called color, and as you can see, currently my color of my header is set to adaptive. Now, once you're on adaptive, it'll pretty much just change its color to the main color of the page you're on, and if we click on it, we can set up a solid color or a gradient. If I click on solid, it's going to ask you to, well, pick the color that you want, pick how white or dark it is. You can change it through the palette of the page, or you can go to custom and completely change the color of your header. Now, for some reason, it's changing the color of my text. It's not actually changing the color of the background. I'm not exactly sure why this happens. You can blur the background if you want. You can unblur it. It really doesn't matter. But as you can see, if I set the opacity to lower, it's gonna go ahead and make it transparent, but it'll keep the color of the text. I'm not exactly sure why this happens because, oh, there we go, background color, that's it. We can set it, for example, to all black, which we're gonna do, and I'm gonna change the opacity to 100%, and you can change the navigation color to whatever you would like. For example, this, I misclicked for some reason, but yeah, you can change it to that. You can also change the theme if you want. You can go to solid. You can also set up gradient, where you can choose the top color and the bottom color if you want. For example, if I set the background color to black, it's gonna set it to this. Actually, I'll change it to a bit more dark brown orange sort of deal. You can change the navigation color to whatever you want. I'll set it to white, and this doesn't look the very best, as you can probably see. You can again change the opacity if you want, and you can also blur the background, which I'm not going to do. But yeah, that is pretty much how you change your color of your header. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.